Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Confirm voicemail rings by calling your number, then note the audible greeting. Once done, make sure your phone has good Airtel signal and SIM unlocked. First actionable move. Open the phone app and access call settings to reach call forwarding or dial a GSM code from the keypad. You're doing this to stop the network diverting missed calls to Airtel's voicemail. That prevents messages from being recorded and clears the greeting. Now execute the main removal. Dial #002# and press call. This cancels all unconditional and conditional forwards at the network level. Wait for the confirmation pop-up. If you prefer the GUI, go to phone settings, calls, call forwarding, and disable unconditional, on no reply, and on busy. Also check supplementary services or advanced settings and delete any stored voicemail number. This stops calls from being routed to Airtel's voicemail system. Finish by testing. Call your Airtel number from a different phone. You should get a ring or busy, but no voicemail greeting. If voicemail still answers, make sure you waited for the network confirmation after dialing #002#. Next step. Use the My Airtel app or call 121/198 to request manual deactivation and provide your number and SIM details. If problems persist, try the code from another handset, toggle airplane mode, or reset network settings before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.